I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see available storage space on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Navigate to your Switch 2 home screen and then click the System Settings icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Click to select Data Management in this menu. Step 3. Find the System menu section on the right side of the screen. The white lines show you how much storage space you've used on your Nintendo Switch 2. The number to the right of storage space directly below that represents how much storage space is available on your device. In this example, you can see I've got 145 gigabytes of available space on my Switch 2. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.